Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Hakawai pat kaliang, UMP ke Shillong Parliamentary Seat, ba Vincent H. Pala, ula Pynshai Halor ke Jingkynnoh kubor, ba ula Pynkheiñ, ya ka Model Code of Conduct, ke bakhang persya ekonomi kemat pajba, ban play mau nong rem ni sam scheme. Na kaliang ba Vincent Pala ula Pynshai, ba ula tip Halor kene, ba ula ongru hakabalang bakin yakran sipang kesanyi masima, ne ban da kapisa. Handai tangman pelong ben da ke jingduai bat yerwa yero te ungen bakani kan kta ya ka Model Code of Conduct.
Another thing I would like to confirm that yesterday I went to Nongstoin. Actually the request was made to me 2 months back by the Presbyterian Church, but they have made a foundation stone, so I went there, but I told the church and very clearly that it will be slightly violate the code of conduct. So we will not talk anything political. We will not give any money. So we went there and we only start the prayer by the pastor, and the choir sang a song, and at the same time I give a blessings and other things. Pastor then give a blessings to the church, and we finished the meeting very fast. In the meantime, then the election commission people came and told us you might have violated. I told them yes, we are aware, but I think the election code of conduct does not stop people from praying, does not stop people from blessings the hostels. So I've got a notice also from Nongstoin, so I'll clarify it and answer to it.